What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And today in this video we are going to show you guys Harvest Finance and how, guys, this is a game changer. Anyways, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on the project. But what is really cool about this protocol is no deposit or withdrawal fees. I know you're seeing 8% fee on harvested grains, but everything you deposit in there, all the interest you earn, what you see is what you get. So it's automatically built in for you so you don't have to worry about it. I know you're thinking 8%, that is crazy. So if I deposit 10 ETH, I automatically lose 8% of them? No, that's not what happens at all. And when you deposit 10% ETH, you keep your ETH. It's on the profits you earn. So say, for example, you earn 1 ETH in profit, it will take out 8% of it. So it'll take 0.08. But why is this not really a major difference? Because the APYs on this thing are massive. Guys, these are more than anywhere else that you'll get. So it's crazy stuff, cool stuff, and they automatically build it in so you don't have to worry about it. Let's go and get into this video. But guys, first, you need to do the full step things. Like, subscribe to the button, hit the comment section below and say, bro, I subscribed. And once you do that, you will automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. It happens at the end of each month. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and let's go and get into it. First, we are going to show you guys the Binance or the BNB section. The Ethereum section is 30% fees, so do keep that in mind. This one is only 8%. So let's show you guys how these farms work. I'm going to use the Venus farm because this is paying 20% over here, and on Venus it's only like 6%. Now, how are they able to pay additional Venus? Well, first off, with the Venus, it is being paid in both. Well, you can actually hit the vault details as well. It's being paid in both XVS and B farm. So B farm is your farm tokens. So you can actually earn farm tokens. So I'm earning 14% farm tokens. I can come right back over and I can say, oh, well, that's cool. And I can stake my farm. The staking APY is 40%. All you got to do is quick swap or not quick swap, but swap it really quick on any swap. And it even says it right here. I'd hover over it, but oh wait, no, it let me. To earn additional interest on your farm, you can bridge B farm into farm using any swap, which means just swap the tokens. That's all. And then you stake it in the farm pool. So I know you guys are asking yourself, why the pants do I want farm tokens? Well, farm tokens are pretty interesting. It's basically like the quote-unquote governance token, and you can earn a yield on the token. There is a maximum supply, so do keep that in mind on what's going on with that one. So it's not an unlimited supply. There is a current supply or max of 690,000 tokens and like 420. And this shows you like the emission and total supply curve. So obviously if you got in early on this, you were getting some massive gains on some farm tokens. But anyways, guys, this is a little bit how the farm tokens works and how they're distributed. 70% will be distributed to capital and liquidity providers. So basically, when you're earning on Harvest Finance, what this means is like this vault details section, this is where the 70% comes in, the B farm rewards. So that's how you can keep that in mind. So now that you understand that part, 10% will go into a optional treasury. So this is like paying for development and promotions, and 20% will be going to the development team. So this is kind of like the way that the team actually gets paid for their work and what they're doing. So 70% goes to people who are depositing, 30% basically goes to the ecosystem. So now let's go ahead and show you guys the farms. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. The gas fees are a lot lower, so you can use them here, but it's not like Ethereum. Ethereum is a little bit different, and you have a lot more pools. So if you want to see what's going on in these pools, you can just open them up, see all the details. You can view all the rewards and information on it. And when you're ready to make a deposit, again, there is no fees. It's only 8% on the profits. So say you profit 1 ETH, you're automatically going to have to pay, well, 8%, so 0.08 ETH. But that's profit, so basically it's just free money. So what you can do is you can come over to here to any of these pools and select the ones you want to use. I'm going to do Venus because I have some Venus tokens I'd like to stake, and I have the maximum amount. So I'm just going to hit max, and I'm going to deposit and stake for rewards. So I'm going to hit confirm. I'm approving the transaction, and then it will allow me to deposit. So when you have all these rewards, they're all going to be on here. And if you ever want to get your XVS tokens back, all you're going to have to do is say, yeah, bro, I want to withdraw, and it'll withdraw it for you, and you get your Venus tokens back. So basically, in your wallet, you are automatically going to get some FXVS. So it's going to allow me to spend my BFVX tokens because they're not staked. I got to stake them right now. It's automatically doing this for a transaction. I know you guys are seeing, oh, well, wait, it's less than what you deposited. Well, the reason it's less than I deposited is because the FXVS tokens are worth more. They automatically accrue interest for you. And right now, they've already automatically been accruing interest. So we'll show you guys how this works. So my XVS is now staked. So if I say, all right, I want to withdraw. So I know you guys are asking yourself, why the pants do I only have 48.66? Well, it is worth more. So you guys can see this is my real total XVS that I do have. That's just the price difference in it because they're auto accruing. And you guys can see, look, I'm automatically earning B farm rewards. So you can claim these rewards at any time, and that's it. You can stake them. So I know we mentioned that you can earn 40%, and you're like, well, where's the staking pool for it? Well, you do have to go on the Ethereum mainnet. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Now we're going to go ahead and switch to the Ethereum mainnet, and you guys can see these are all the different pools that you guys can use. So this is the farm pool right here. This is where you can deposit it, and it auto compounds for you. You can learn more about all of these vaults and see what they're doing by hitting vault details. So they pay some pretty juicy rewards, not only on Binance Smart Chain, but on Ethereum. I mean, geez, some of these are pretty good. You can actually stake your 1 inch over here too. 1 inch old. Man, yeah, guys, I highly recommend you guys take a look into these as well. And check this out. Look, they even have some CryptoPunks where you can stake these, or any of the crypto crypto NFTs. You can actually deposit and stake here, so that's pretty cool as well. You got stonks, dude. Look at this. You can earn rewards on your stonks that you got on off of Mirror Protocol on the Terra Luna ecosystem. Guys, they got some serious game changer junk in here. You guys should check it out. I mean, where else can you hold a stonk, earn interest, as in like the stock's appreciating like Amazon, and get some gains on it? Look, you're earning 44, you're basically getting dividends. Amazon and Google don't pay dividends, neither does Tesla, but now you can have the opportunity to earn dividends. Guys, you got to check this junk out. You got to get into DeFi. You got to play around with it some. I know it's like, oh, well, what's the catch? Well, the catch is, yes, there is such thing as smart contract risk, and you're going to be partaking in permanent loss. So if these stocks do explode and go up like they normally do, well, you're going to get less of the token or less of the stock, but you will get some UST in return. So it's kind of like, well, if the stock stays at the same price or it goes down, you actually get more of the stock. So it could be a win-win play. I don't know, guys. Anyways, guys, not financial advice, just telling you guys what is out there. So now that we went over that stuff, here's some important things you guys want. Here's some important stuff you guys want to use. It is on the section dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. This will show you all of the stuff that you have. So we'll go ahead and connect our wallet so you guys can see it. So I just entered my wallet address, and it automatically pulls up all of the rewards and all that I have in here. So my underlining, this is basically what I deposited initially and my percentage of the pool. So I'm currently earning 0.2, or yeah, I'm earning basically just free farm tokens, and I'm earning interest on my Venus tokens. So pretty interesting how that works. Fun to work. It's a nice little layout, so it's pretty awesome. And you can also look into the different things like farm statistics, grain analysis, profit calculator. So if you ever want to know how much your calculates or profits are going to be, you can enter in the token that you're wanting to deposit, and it'll explain all that stuff for you. So they have a lot of cool features and a lot of different apps that you guys can use. so you can learn and use the platform and basically make the best strategies possible. And you can also go right on here to earn or learn about some farming strategies and to make your own strategies. This is on the Ethereum, and then you have some Binance Smart Chain strategies as well. So highly recommend you guys take a look into those and at least play around with this DeFi platform. This is Harvest Finance in a nutshell, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you do those 4 things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically be thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 25 verses 4. Remove the dross from silver, and a silversmith can produce a vessel. That's so true, man. That's so true. It's just like turning lemons into lemonade. Encourage others. Let's help others. Let's be there for others. Thanks for tuning in. For that video. All right, guys. If you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is Blockfolio. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for Blockfolio and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.